Vice President Kashim Shettima has emphasized the importance of service to humanity and peaceful coexistence in Nigeria, urging political leaders to project the beauty of the nation's cultural diversity. He made the appeal at the conferment of the chieftaincy title of Asiwaju of Ijebu-Land on industrialist and philanthropist Suleiman Adebola Adegunwa, held in Ijebu-Ode, Ogun State. State House correspondent Abdurrahman Jibrila reports.
This colorful gathering in the ancient city of Ijebu-Ode is in honor of one of their own, Dr. Suleiman Adegunwa, the new Asiwaju of Ijebu. People in their different attires welcomed the vice president who came to celebrate with them, describing the new Asiwaju as a leader committed to entrenching peaceful coexistence across the nation.
It's a show of compassion, it's a show of humility, and the entire landscape was broken by schools, security posts, and so many corporate responsibility items that dotted the whole of Ijebu-Land and the nation as a whole. We celebrate with him, we commend him, and we have a moral duty to call on all Nigerians to emulate the lives of Chief Ijebu-Ode.
Baba is a confident yet very humble man, both in appearance, vision, and innovation.
As Asiwaju, I pledge my support.
The Aujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu-Land, Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetona II, who conferred the chieftaincy title, commended Dr. Adegunwa and his wife for distinguishing themselves in character, respective fields of endeavor and contributions to the community. Oba Adetona II, who has been on the throne for 64 years, said the palace had observed the Adegunwas with the joy and pride as they have exhibited honesty, integrity, and uncommon development in Ijebu-Land. From Ijebu-Ode in Ogun State, Abdurrahman Jibrila, NTA News.